Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the complex world of marine hydraulics, the precise control of fluid power is essential for the reliable operation of critical machinery like deck cranes, steering gear, and hatch covers. At the heart of these systems lies hydraulic circuit logic, which is the architectural blueprint that dictates how fluid pressure is directed to various actuators to perform work in a safe and coordinated manner. A key component used to achieve this coordination is the sequence valve, a specialized pressure control valve designed to ensure that two or more operations occur in a specific chronological order. The fundamental working principle of a sequence valve is that it remains closed to a secondary branch of the circuit until a preset pressure level is reached in the primary branch. This is particularly useful in maritime applications where one mechanical action must be fully completed before another begins, such as a cargo ramp lowering completely before the side railings are deployed. Inside the sequence valve, a spring-loaded spool or poppet blocks the flow to the secondary port. As the primary actuator reaches the end of its stroke or encounters resistance, the system pressure rises until it overcomes the force of the adjustable spring in the sequence valve. Once this cracking pressure is reached, the spool shifts and opens the pathway, allowing pressurized oil to flow to the next cylinder in the sequence. Most marine sequence valves are internally piloted, meaning they sense the pressure directly at their inlet port, though externally piloted versions can be used for more complex interlocking logic. A critical feature of these valves in shipboard systems is the integral check valve, which allows for free reverse flow. This is necessary so that when the operator reverses the directional control valve to retract the machinery, the fluid can bypass the sequencing mechanism and return to the tank without resistance. The design of the hydraulic circuit must also account for the drain line, because unlike a standard relief valve, the sequence valve typically requires an external drain connection to the tank. This ensures that back pressure in the secondary circuit does not interfere with the spring setting or the sensitivity of the spool movement. Maintaining these valves is a vital task for marine engineers, as contaminated hydraulic oil can cause the spool to stick or the internal orifices to clog, leading to a failure in the mechanical sequence, which could result in structural damage or safety hazards. During routine maintenance, the pressure setting of the valve should be verified using a calibrated gauge to ensure it aligns with the ship's technical manual. Proper adjustment of the sequence valve prevents hydraulic shock and ensures smooth transitions between different phases of operation. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.